Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Myself Asavari. Today we are diving into the Arduino IDE interface. Using this software you can write, test and upload code to your Arduino board. When you open the Arduino IDE, you will see simple but powerful interface. Let's break it down step by step. Here is Arduino IDE software for programming Arduino board. Here is what you will see on the screen. At the top you will see menu bar option. Using this you can access different options like file, edit, sketch, tools and help. Below menu bar you will see toolbar where you will find quick button for verify, upload, debugging, and at the middle section you will see code editor. This is where you will write and edit your Arduino code. At the bottom you will see output console where messages, error and upload status updates appear. Now let's go through menu option in detail. First up, here is the file menu. Using this you can create, open and manage your Arduino projects. Here is the new sketch. Using this you can create new sketch ready for your code. Then open option. Here is the option to open it instantly. Then open recent option. Using this you can reopen recent sketches. Then sketchbook. Think of it as your project holder. Then examples. Using this you can open your built-in example codes and start experimenting. Next, here is edit menu. Using this you can modify and organize your code easily. Redo and undo option, where if you made a mistake, using this you can go back or restore changes. Then find and replace option. Using this you can find and replace words instantly. Then auto format option. If code looking messy, here is a quick way to fix indentation and make it clean. Next up, here is the sketch menu. Using this you can verify, upload and add libraries to your project. Verify and compile option. Before uploading, using this you will check your code for errors. Then upload option. Using this option you can upload the code to the Arduino and see it in action. Then here is the include library option. If you need extra functionalities, using this you can add libraries with additional functions. Now here is the tools menu. Using this you can configure everything needed for your Arduino boards. Board selection option. Using this you can select your Arduino board type. Here you can select your board, which type of Arduino you are using. Then serial port. If you are not sure where your board is connected, here is where you select the right COM port. Then serial monitor. If you want to see real-time data from your Arduino, using this you can open the serial monitor. And then manage library option. Here is where you install extra libraries. Okay, after that at the top here is your toolbar where you will find the most important buttons. First, verify. Using this you can check your code for errors before uploading. Then upload. Here is how you send your code directly to your Arduino board. And then this is debugging button. Then here is serial monitor. If you want to check live data, here is where you can open the serial monitor instantly. Now you know your way around the Arduino IDE interface. Using this knowledge, you can start coding, testing and bringing your idea to life. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.